माहौल चैनल में आप सभी को स्वागत है। 90 दिन में 90 शब्द के साथ हम आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना सिखा रहा है। आज का हमारा शब्द है डांस। डांस मीन्स
नाचना।
नाचना। मैं नाच रहा था।
I was dancing.
आई वॉज डांसिंग। मैं नहीं नाच रहा था।
I was not dancing.
मैं स्कूल में नाच रहा था। I was dancing in the school. I was dancing in the college means मैं कॉलेज में नाच रहा था। क्या मैं नाच रहा था?
Was I dancing?
Was I dancing? हाँ, मैं नाच रहा था।
Yes,
I
was dancing.
वे नाच रहे थे।
They were dancing.
They were dancing. वे नहीं नाच रहे थे।
They were not dancing.
कल वे नहीं नाच रहे थे means how to say? कल वे नहीं नाच रहे थे।
They were not dancing yesterday.
They were not dancing yesterday. कल वे नहीं नाच रहे थे। They were not dancing yesterday. वे नाच रहे थे means how to say?
They were dancing.
They were dancing. वे नहीं नाच रहे थे means
They were not dancing.
हाँ, वे नाच रहे थे।
Yes, they were dancing.
They were dancing. आप नाच रहे थे means you were dancing. आप नहीं नाच रहे थे। You were not dancing. क्या आप नाच रहे थे?
Were you dancing?
Were you dancing? वह नाच रही थी।
She was dancing.
She was dancing. अंजलि नहीं नाच रही थी।
अंजलि was not dancing.
नेहा नाच रही थी।
नेहा was dancing.
गोविंद नाच रहा था।
गोविंद was dancing.
गोविंद नहीं नाच रहा था।
गोविंद was not dancing.
अंजलि नाच रही थी।
अंजलि was dancing.
क्या अंजलि नाच रही थी?
Was अंजलि dancing?
Was अंजलि dancing. क्या वह नाच रही थी?
Was she dancing?
वह नहीं नाच रही थी।
She was not dancing.
वह नहीं नाच रहा था।
He was not dancing.
यह नाच रहा था।
It was dancing.
It was dancing. यह नहीं नाच रहा था।
It was not dancing.
यह नहीं नाच रहा था।
It was not dancing.
क्या यह नाच रहा था?
Was it dancing?
हाँ, यह नाच रहा था।
Yes.
Yes.
It was dancing.
It was dancing. वह नहीं नाच रही थी।
She was not dancing.
वह नहीं नाच रहा था।
He was not dancing.
वे नहीं नाच रहे थे।
They were not dancing.
हाँ, वे नाच रहे थे।
Yes, they were dancing.
हम नहीं नाच रहे थे।
We were not dancing.
हम नाच रहे थे।
We were dancing.
मैं नहीं नाच रहा था।
I was not dancing.
वह नहीं नाच रही थी।
She was not dancing.
अभिषेक नाच रहा था।
अभिषेक was dancing.
अभिषेक नहीं नाच रहा था।
अभिषेक was not dancing.
अभिषेक स्कूल फंक्शन में नाच रहे थे। अभिषेक
was dancing
in the school function. अंजलि was dancing in the एनुअल फंक्शन। कैसे बोलेंगे?
अंजलि
एनुअल फंक्शन में नाच रही थी। वह नहीं नाच रही थी। She
was not dancing.
वह नहीं नाच रहा था।
He was not dancing.
हम नहीं नाच रहे थे।
We were not dancing.
वह नहीं नाच रही थी।
She was not dancing.
यह नहीं नाच रहा था।
It was not dancing.
दोस्तों, आप हमारा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, हमारा साथ प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।